How to upload longer reels on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to upload longer reels on Facebook. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure to update and log into your particular account. Tap the line icon at top right corner of the screen. On this menu section, scroll down and at the bottom left corner, locate Reels section. Now to upload longer reels on Facebook, tap on the camera icon at top right corner of the screen and tap Allow Access in order to access to your camera roll so that you can easily upload it from your camera roll. Now, choose the video that you want to upload on your Facebook. Suppose if the video is this, then you can easily get the video here. Before, the time limit to upload the longer reels on Facebook was 60 seconds, but now users can easily upload the reels up to 90 seconds. But the part after the 90 seconds will be automatically cut by Facebook because you will not be able to upload the longer reels on Facebook, which is more than 90 seconds. So if you have the video or the reel video that is longer than 90 seconds, then before uploading, you can easily edit the video up to 90 seconds and upload it. Before that, you can also add audio, text, effects, stickers, and also many more customizations before uploading to Facebook. So tap on the next button at bottom right and easily upload your longer reels on Facebook. Thank you.